Borje, what are the first thoughts after a 28 points loss against KR?
It's disappointing, 28 points, but maybe you agree, maybe not. Like I say to your colleagues, this is not the real picture what's happened on the court. We were a tight game, 3 quarters, but on the end I think energetically we couldn't respond, in those last minutes, especially that we missed some open shots. I guess my players were tired, Then on the other side, KR get back with the quick threes and take the lead, fell 15 points, and that was just routine for them to finish the game.
It's the second game in a row that I see that you're struggling defensively. What's the problem?
The problem is short rotation, especially in this game. Previous one, Danero was missing. He's a big part of our defensive concept. Now 2 other guys are missing. But whatever, that's not excuse. Definitely we have some problems, especially on the side picks. So we need to, fix that as soon as possible, and try to keep our opponents on the less points.
Since you mentioned it, 2 players missing, Roberto and Colin. Are they ready for next game?
Difficult to predict. I hope yes, but the nature of these injuries are kind of tricky. We need to be careful with both of them.
So back to the game. You're still in the game with like 1 quarter left, but then it's a blowout in the 4th quarter.
We take some quick shots on that side, and like I say, we miss those open shots, and in transition, KR take the lead, very quickly with I think 2 threes in a row, and then I think kind of my players give up, in some way. Even that I can say they fight to the end, but difficult with the short rotation to keep KR, close in this. We allowed too many open shots, especially for Kobe and Brynjar and Helgi as well. So they know how to punish. I don't know statistically how many threes KR scored tonight, but I think there are many.
Is it the best offense you have met this year?
Best offense match, yeah. We have offensive guys for sure, but the defense is winning the game, so we need to focus on defense as well.
All right, thanks a lot.
Thanks.